Guys, welcome back again to my channel. On this particular video, I want to share with you things I know you can do that will help improve your views on the YouTube app. Yes guys, these are things that I have tried and it worked for me, and I believe it's going to work for you as well if you give it a try. So do how to get a jotter, a pen, or you can as well download the video so you can be able to run back to it whenever you to give this a try. So number one on the list, guys, is shorts. Guys, shorts are, personally I think shorts are underrated, because I mean shorts are what is going to give you a very large visibility. Yes guys, shorts are very important in your channel's growth because it will help reach a very large audience. A lot of us are not even aware of this, but you see, shorts, don't sleep on it guys. It is an amazing way to explore. It is an amazing way to also expose your channel. It gets to a wider audience, so your channel is going to be known by a lot of people, both home and abroad. Trust me, if you haven't started putting out shorts in your channel, then now is the time to make sure shorts are always on your channel. Once you post a video, a long form video, you can as well give a time duration, because I kick against you posting if you post one video now, the next minute you're posting another one. Don't do that. It's going to harm your channel, because it's going to look as though you are a robot. So at least 1 hour gap. All right, so once you post a long video, then the next 1 hour you can as well upload a short. Now thank God for YouTube that has made it even easier, right? That we can now do, there's something called shorts remixing. When you're uploading a video, I believe those options that we see on our screen when we're uploading a long form video, I will be placing a screenshot of it here, so you will see that thing called allow shorts remixing. Make sure it's always turned on. Aside from you using it, others can also they can also use it, and they are helping your channel, because people are going to see that it was created from your channel. So make sure you turn it on, so that allows you to remix that particular video that you uploaded on your YouTube channel. It's going to help you guys. So if you do not want to use the shorts remixing, you can also upload a short, like a normal short. You can create a video and it's going to be for a short. We all know shorts are needed in a portrait format, that is you placing your phone like this and not like this. Do you understand? So that's it guys. Shorts are very important in your channel's growth. If you haven't been doing shorts, then this is your cue to start creating shorts. Now another thing, make sure that short you're creating is relating to your content, is relating to what your channel stands for, because we wouldn't want to deceive viewers. For instance, you are a content creator based on cooking, right? I really don't know why I like using cooking, but you're a content creator based on cooking, right? Then your short is relating to something based on cars, like different kind of cars. So I remember shorts gets to a very wide audience. So when they get to see that short, so people that are interested in cars will see that this short is about cars, and you keep on uploading shorts that are relating to cars, and people that love cars, or YouTube is definitely going to be referring that shorts to people that are interested in stuffs like that. That's why in your channel analytics you can see that how people react to the shorts and how people react to your video. You can see how many people stayed to watch, and you can also see how many people swiped away, right? So people that are interested in that particular short are going to watch, and in turn are going to subscribe. Aside increasing your channel views, shorts is also going to help in your subscriber count. So really, for now guys, stop sub for sub. I'm doing this again. If you really want a genuine way, like a fast way of growing your channel based on subscribers, shorts is your number one. All right, so if you keep on posting shorts that are relating to cars, meanwhile in your long form videos you are cooking, so people are going to subscribe from the shorts because they are in love with what you're doing concerning the cars. Then they come into your channel and they are seeing videos relating to cooking. what do you think is going to happen? They either unsubscribe or they remain there, right? Even them remaining there is not going to add anything to your channel. It's just going to be increasing your subscriber count, but your main videos are not going to be having the views. Now, except you want to build your channel based on shorts, and we all know shorts requires 3 million views to grow, at least to monetize, right? So if you know you're going to build your channel on long form videos, make sure that those shorts you are uploading out there, you're putting out there for people to see, are relating to what you're doing in your long form videos. This is going to help you, so it won't look like you deceived these viewers that are coming into your channel. They are coming into your channel now from the shorts to see more and to get to know you, but getting there, they are seeing that you're doing something entirely different. It's not going to help your channel, guys. So this is just number one on the list, which is shorts, and we've gone this far. I will be stopping here today. On the next video, I will be sharing with you another way you can improve your views on the YouTube app. Do well to click the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.